Hi, my name's Mark at M2M Technology and I'm here today with another one of our quick tech tips. Today I'm going to be talking about a relatively new feature in Sage200, sales alerts. Well done. The sales alerts are, as the name suggests, a way of alerting your staff when they try and sell something to a particular customer. And so if you go into a customer's record and into the alerts tab, you'll see you've got an area where you can configure and set up alerts depending on the type of documents that you're going to be raising. Once enabled, an alert will appear on the screen whenever a user tries to enter a sales order for that customer. You can have multiple alerts per customer if you need it, and you can have different alerts appearing on different documents. I guess this is most likely aimed at retail customers where people are taking orders over the phone and that kind of thing, and it will provide a useful and timely reminder to your staff as to some specific circumstance surrounding this customer. I suppose the only potential issue is that any of your staff with access to the sales ledger are going to be able to create and amend these alerts. If that's a concern, then we've got the solution for that. We've already written a bit of customization which will allow you to permission the individual tabs of a customer's record to individual user roles. So, for example, your financial team might need access to the credit control tab, but you might prefer your regular sales staff to be able to change a customer's address. If you're having permissioning problems, get in touch, we can certainly help. And that's all I've got for you today. If you need to get in touch to discuss this or anything else, please give us a bell, 01245 494847, or get in touch via the service desk at m2mit.uk. Alternatively, visit our website, support.m2m.host or m2mit.uk. We look forward to hearing from you. Cheers.